Hello, my people. Welcome back to my YouTube once again. My name is Justice, and this is Mr. J Graphics. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a reflection shadow. Please, if you find this video helpful, do me a favor, subscribe to this channel if you are new here, and also kindly click on the subscribe button, and please don't forget to click on the notification bell. It's very important. And also click the like button if you find this video helpful. Without much further ado, let's jump right into the video. So I'll go directly to my Photoshop and I'm going to create the size that I'm going to use for the work. So I'm going to go with okay, so 20 by 20, and that's it. Okay, 20 by 20. Now I'm going to create a shadow, so let me use this background, this same background for, so I'm going to use this background like that. Okay, so now I'm going to close it. After I close it, I'm going to type in Father's Day. Father's Day. So once I'm done, I will increase it. I'm going to change the font style to bold, like this. I think the size is kind of, it's kind of I don't want, let's create a different size. I don't want the size to be square, so let's make it this way, 20 by 15, right? Okay, something like this, so that the text will be bigger and bigger, so that you can see what I'm actually going to teach you about. Okay, so now once then is one, after you create your background, you just have to go with the text, Father's Day, Father's Day. So I'm gonna go with that. Okay, Father's Day. Let me use different font. Big Nodo. Okay, I just want the font to be very font will be, you can see the font very well, and I understand what I'm actually saying, what I'm actually doing right here. Okay, now we are going to create reflection shadow. So just look at what I'm actually going to do. First of all, you have to what you have to do is you need to duplicate the Father's Day text. You have to duplicate it. Now after you duplicate, what you have to do is click on it and then rotate it. All right, rotate it like this. then you're going to drag it down. All right, okay, let me start afresh if you didn't see what I'm. After you duplicate it, okay, after you duplicate, you stand on this, you click. After you selected in the layers, you click again. After you click, you're going to see this mark and the cancel properties here. Okay, once you see that, if you don't see it, meaning what you are going to do, you can't do it. So you have to click again before you see this tool here. And now after you see, you right click on it, and this pop-ups, you just click on the flip vertical. So once it's flipped vertical, you just drag this down to this end. So you make sure it fits in very well. Now after it fits in, what you have to do is you create a layer mask. Once you create a layer mask, you can brush it like this by clicking on your brush tool. Go for your brush tool, okay? After you go for the brush tool, then you brush down here like this. Okay, so this is actually going to look like a shadow. You see, it looks like the text is standing. It's like something that is on the water. Okay, so you can see, and also looking at the background that I choose, you know, it's actually fits in the work. So when you are standing back of the work, far away from the work, you're going to see this is kind of it look like something that is on top of water. Meanwhile, this is the work of what? Photoshop 2021. Okay, so you just have to brush, brush in here like this. Just use your brush tool to brush it down like that. Second, you can also create a layer. Make sure you hold Alt on your keyboard and you click the layer mask. Okay, click, just hold your Alt key, Alt, and then after you hold, you click and hold the Alt key on your keyboard and you click the layer mask. Once you click, you're going to see the black in here. It's going to be like inverse and hide, visible and invisible. All right, so you have to, once you see, without clicking the layer, without holding the Alt key, when you click, you're going to see white background, white color. But with the help of the Alt key, when you click, you're going to see a black, meaning that you are doing inverse in here. You are creating inverse. Okay, so I'm going to create, bring down my brush tool. This time you're not going to brush the down, you brush the top. Okay, but the reason why it's not showing up, is because the foreground color is black. When the foreground color is white, you make sure when the layer mask color is white, you have to make sure the color in here is black. But since it's black in the layer mask, you have to make sure the foreground color is white. And now let's brush and see what is going to happen. So you can see what I'm actually saying. So this is how to create reflection shadow in every work that you're doing. Okay, any work, any kind of designs you are doing, you can easily create a layer, reflection shadow, and this is going to work out for you. If I design a flyer, funeral brochure, any type of design you're doing, you can create reflection shadow for this, and it's easily going to work that for you. And so guys, thank you so much for watching till this far, and I'm saying that big shout outs to all the new subscribers. If you're a new subscriber here, please, after watching this video, do me a favor, subscribe and click on the bell. The bell is very important. Click on the bell, and then if you find this video helpful, please like this video for me, and also leave a comment, and I'll see you on my next video. My name is Justice, and this is Mr. J Graphics.